How to use kill streaks in Warzone. First of all, I'll show you how to find kill streaks in Warzone. So it's not just getting a 3 kill streak, then you get a UAV. You'll find them at these green icon buy stations around the map. You can go ahead and walk up to them. They look a bit like this. You can click X to open, or the equivalent on PlayStation or PC. I'm using my Xbox controller here. You'll be able to see, you can scroll through them, all the different options for kill streaks. If you have enough money, so you can see this cluster strike is going to cost $3,000. Once you've done that, you can click on it. Then once it's there, you can see in the bottom right hand corner, you'll be able to use it with the D-pad on the Xbox or the equivalent on PC or PlayStation. You'll see at the bottom right hand corner the little light blue cluster strike or whatever kill streak you've got. You'll be able to go ahead and aim the kill streak if it's a precision or a cluster strike or something similar there. Or you can also press the right trigger button like you're shooting, so you can aim and shoot this regularly like that, and then you can go ahead and use your kill streak, whether it's a cluster strike, precision airstrike, or if you just want to call in a UAV, you can do that with the D-pad or the equivalent button as well. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.